Hello everyone, so tie the hairs on the back, divide them into two parts and then join it by making the plates on the hairs to fix the ribbon. Now take the hairs from the front in very small sections and fix it on the back. After that, follow the same step for the other side. Now join the hairs by dividing them into two parts, fold it upward and fix it like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs in the front like this and then fold it back like this by tying it on the top. Now after that again take the hairs and join it one by one. Now tie all the hairs together on the one side and make the plates on it like this. After making the plates till the end, we will fold the hairs upward and fix it like this using a rubber band and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs in the front like this, fix the hairband and then tie the plates to fix it. So fix the hairs very carefully as shown in the video, tie them in the very small sections and then join it on the back by making the plates like this, fold the hairs and then fix the plaited hairs. Now tie a bow on the top and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back like this using a rubber band and after that put this ribbon on the hairs. Now divide the hairs into three parts to fix it. Now make the plates on the hairs like this by taking middle part of the hairs, fix it one by one, tie it and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail, fix this one plate on the hairs, roll it upward like this and then fold it. Now fix it from the sides and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to put the rubber band over it. Next, tie the hairs in the front like this by taking small sections, tie it like this. Take very small section of the hairs, roll it and then take the hairs from the front in the very small sections one by one and make the plates. Keep taking the hairs in the same manner as shown in the video. Now tie all the hairs in the same manner and then join it on the one side like this. After fixing the hairs together, we will tie another hairs in the same manner and tie it from the between. Now join all the hairs, fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs in four sections like this. Now rotate the upper part using the hair styling tool. Now divide the hairs into two parts. Fix the hair threads in the between of the hairs and then fix it on the sides by making the plates. Roll the hairs carefully by fixing it. Tie it on the other side as well and follow the same step. Now fix the hairs in the heart shape like this. Tie them together and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to make the plates on the lower part of the hairs and fix it by folding it upward. And it's ready. Next, fix this beautiful hair accessory on the hairs. Now to fix it, we will tie the hairs on the top of it by making the plates. Make the plates on the hairs like this, tie it properly by fixing it. So perform this step very carefully. Now we will tie the all hairs together and then make the plates on all the hairs like this. Fix it till the end and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to take the hairs on the back like this. After that, take small sections and join it on the back like this one by one. After that, fixing the hairs, we will tie all the hairs together in the same manner and your hairstyle will be ready once you make the plates at the end of the hairs like this. And it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to tie the hairs like this by taking small section of the hairs, tie them on the top. Now after that on the back, we will take again small sections and join them one by one by making the plates on the hairs. Take the hairs from both the sides and fix it till the end in the same manner as we are doing in this video. After tying the hairs, we will fix the hairs till the end and make the plates on it. Now tie the hairs by folding it upward, make the plates on the sides and then fold it upward like this and make a bun. Fix it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.